This feels like summer, boy, you make me feel.
Good afternoon, we're at the park. Is it fun still? Brian's mad because there's not much, there's not much places to ride his scooter. But we're watching Brian today and we're here at the park. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
It's such a nice day today. It's like not too hot. It's like just perfect. It's like warm and there's kind of like a little breeze. And there's a lot of people at the park. I didn't expect it to be this busy, but since this is kind of a water park too. There's a water park over there in the middle, so all the kids are like over there. But we're just chilling at this little table. We got our snacks. There's an umbrella here, which is awesome. And Brian's right there, look. Keeping an eye on him. Alright, baby, let's go play.
Yep.
Oi, oh, careful. Be careful. Go play, baby. Catch Brian, catch him, but be careful, don't get ran over. Okay. Oh Lord, please don't fall. Brian threw the ball over the fence, so I told him to go for it quickly. Look at Maricela waiting for him. Run back! Run, run, run! Wait, Maricela!
You better turn up. You better be there.
What's up, people?
What is he doing?
What am I doing here? How did I just get here?
You weren't here a second ago.
I know, what's going on? I'll tell you what. I live so close to here that I just decided.
You
live?
No.
I work by.
You dare do that. You work.
I say live?
Yeah.
Oh, I meant work. I work close by. Yeah.
No, I told them to come.
No, I
He
told
didn't
you.
decide to come.
I was like, hey, can I come see you guys? She's like, no, we're busy. Blah,
Shut
blah,
up.
blah.
No, what really happened is I told him to come see us, and he was like, I can't take an hour lunch. I don't know if I can go.
No, no. But yeah, it looks like my daughter's having fun. Are you having fun, baby? It's super busy today. There's a lot of people. But yeah, what's up, Brian?
It sounded like sunshine.
So we're outside of Bahama Bucks, which is a shaved ice place. It's like snow cones, right?
And hey, people.
Yeah.
We heard a loud booming noise and I was like, boom.
Yeah, it was really weird.
It sounded like a gun.
It almost sounded like a gunshot, but
It
no.
chased, boom.
We're by the mall. So I don't know.
We're 20 minutes early.
Yeah, we're 20 minutes early. What?
That was that one.
Oh, is that one? It's 12:43. And they open at 1. So we're just here sitting in some little chairs. And what sucks is that they're stuck to the ground, so we can't even move the chairs. That's why they're sharing one, so they can be in the shade. Huh. This one actually could move. This, look, they ripped the thing from it. Where is it? You see it? They ripped the string, but those are attached to the ground. Yeah, so we're just waiting because we really want shaved ice and ice cream.
This one's broken.
I know, they broke the back. What do you guys...
This is like the worst one of those.
Whoa.
Hello, peoples. Watch and learn how make dominoes. Watch and learn how. this?
Go. Uh-oh.
Mama!
What?
Look at what that one.
Yeah?
Can I get the other one?
So we went home, Marisela took her nap. Brian relaxed a little bit on his iPad. Now we're gonna go get lunch. We're gonna go eat Carl's Jr. Brian wants Carl's Jr. What? What?
That's I'm watching. I'm watching.
So we decided to come out on a walk. Marisela's in her little car. And Brian is over there. Looking around. What? Oh yeah. It's fun. Fun stuff. Enjoying the nice day. Where's the sun? There's the sun, look. So pretty. Okay, we're about to fly some kites.
Hi guys! This is my, what is it called?
Signature move?
My signature. Say hi.
Let's do our secret.
Say hi.
Hi. This is our secret handshake, guys.
Alright, let's see it. Nice. Oh wow, there's more. Wow. Mine and Marisela's is nothing. Nice.
Hi. I'll videotape you.
Oh well, once we open
Okay.
it.
Alright.
Look at this nice little day outside.
We should have a little stand so they can watch us.
A little picnic.
I was gonna bring my.
Let me help you.
Hey guys.
Hey, what's up?
So Brian's behind the camera.
We're gonna set up these little kites.
And we have no idea what we're doing. Do you need my key?
Yes. Oh wait, I have one.
Isn't it? Is it a boat? Is it a boat?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Is it?
Get Marisela on the video. Marisela, habla con Brian.
Hi. Hi.
Say hi guys.
Hey guys.
Oh my gosh, seriously?
It's a lot?
I think.
Beautiful, nice day. Such a beautiful,
Insert no spreader and
Sunset.
pocket A.
such a beautiful sunset.
No spreader?
Doesn't that look good? Yeah, looks good. Looks beautiful. There's a little dog.
Talk loud.
Yep. They're figuring, oh my god, I can't even talk today. They're figuring it out.
We'll see if we can get these kites together because it comes with instructions.
It's kind of a lot. No, it's not, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Marcela, say bye.
Bye guys.
Give it to Cashew. Let Cashew say bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Oh my god. Okay.
You go, girl. You go, girl. You go, girl.
The little dog is catching the frisbee.
Marisela and Brian are the cheer.
This is so nice. Why don't we do this more often?
Yeah, if I live down here.
We got the kites.
You're not focusing on the kite.
Well, Cashew, I need you.
You need me? I think you're done.
How do you do this?
Oh my god, I told you half an hour ago.
Okay, Cashew.
Stop.
Wait, but how do we do
I
it?
can do it faster. You just do it. You just do it. You just do it. You just do it. You just do it.
Brian, you hold that part. Let me
Do it.
Throw it!
Fly kite, little boy. Great. I don't know, Brian.
Let me try to run with it and you throw it up.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me put this. Is this on?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So pretty much,
This is really hard.
I don't think it's windy enough.
Wait there, Marisela.
So this has not been successful. Excuse me, young lady. How do you feel right now?
Done.
Hey, you. You like your kite?
Yeah, yes.
Ready? Alright, let's see if this works, guys. This is Lily behind the camera, by the way. What do I do?
His? Can I throw his?
Yeah. Here I go! Run! Run! Ah! Look, Marisela! Oh, she did it!
Run this way!
Brian, come here! Uh-oh. Marisela, yours is flying!
No, one more fly!
You want to do it, baby? Oh my god.
I'm flying now! I'm flying now!
Let me see. Yay, mommy! Woo! Look at that ladybug! Woo! You did it.
I got so tired.
Great job.
Thank you.
How do you feel? Tired. Could you help Brian?
Yes. Where is he? Guys, we're so tired. You can't even see us. We've been running trying to get these kites up. Okay, look, it's got pitch dark and we still can't get these kites up.